Is Facebook a good medium for home builders? Over 90% of marketers using Facebook agree it provides the best ROI worldwide. Plus, solid data from WordStream reveals that Facebook outperforms other platforms in the real estate niche when it comes to conversion rates. Let's take a look at how you can use Facebook to cash in on hot leads. Create target audiences. When using Facebook advertising, you can choose a core audience, which are the people most likely to be interested in new homes. Some of the categories you can use to tailor your ads include age, gender, education, relationship status, and so on. Don't forget to build custom audiences based on visitors to specific pages on your site, such as quick possession models. This shows they've been looking for a move-in ready home, and you can target them with page posts or ads featuring your latest available models. To expand your reach to a new set of ideal clients, you must provide Facebook with data from one of your current audiences. Their algorithm analyzes this information and produces a new audience with similar characteristics to your best customers. Boost your posts. Content marketing experts agree that the most effective way to build a community is to keep potential clients engaged. Providing useful content is a crucial ingredient for a successful Facebook marketing strategy. Once you've crafted helpful, engaging posts, the next step is to expand your reach using boosted posts. A boost shares a chosen post with the audience you want to target. That could be friends of people who already like your page, or a custom audience you've previously created. Using Facebook's Ads Manager, you can easily locate posts that generate the most activity and boost popular ones to reach new customers. Use Facebook Messenger. A shopper is more likely to communicate with a seller or company when they know it is a private one-on-one conversation. Messenger creates a more intimate environment, which makes potential new clients feel more comfortable. It's also a way to offer top-quality customer service, since Messenger is accessible on mobile devices. Create local events. Facebook event pages are searched by 100 million people every day. This well-used feature is an easy, unobtrusive way to advertise on Facebook. Add events like open houses and community or charity event sponsorships. The Events tab is a free feature for any company with a Facebook business page. Implement Facebook Pixel. The Facebook Pixel is a bit of HTML code to add to pages of a website. This allows you to track every customer action made from a Facebook ad to your site. Some of the actions tracked include website visits, visitors, page visits, duration of visits, and so on. All this data offers you the ability to reach out to customers who have already shown interest in your new homes. This is incredibly valuable marketing intel. Analyze Facebook Insights. A customized dashboard is included with any Facebook advertising. Detailed reports can be run to monitor ad performance. This allows you to evaluate how effective Facebook is for your home builder marketing efforts. Facebook Insights is a powerful tool that helps track user engagement in a variety of specific categories like likes, reach, visits, posts, and people. If you want to get in front of more qualified home buyers, Facebook is the place to be. You are able to create highly targeted audiences and position your content on their newsfeed. Now that you know all that's possible with Facebook advertising, you can put these tips and tools into action. And if you need expert help, you can reach out to Marketing Ninjas. Visit our site today to see how. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.